Back home, 9 a.m., about 9:30 a.m. Been looking for a little back and forth beater, we call it. I wanted like a Jeep or just a short bed truck, a single cab. So this thing pops up right now, and it's about 3 miles off the highway up here off exit 66. So I've got kind of right by BMW. BMW's about 6 miles up. So let's go check this thing out before I get back to trucking wife and these crazy kids. The 1.5-year-old's about to take a nap. Trucking wife wants to take the big ones to the pool, but they might be coming out here to pick this thing up. Let's see what we got here. But it looks like it's in pretty good shape, but it has 300,000 on the clock, but it's a 97. And the story goes on this body style of this truck is one of my best friends in high school, Blake Cuevas, man. If you ever watch this, still remember that truck you got. He got a 97 Z71 single cab, brand new from his dad on his 16th birthday. And that was, just remember that truck all through high school. But it was that Chevrolet blue, that light blue. So this one's red. Well, let's check it out, see if we can agree on a price, see what they got. But Blake Cuevas, man, I always remember that truck. Got a lift kit on it from the, what's called Lift Kit Warehouse. Some nice 33s on it. And we actually took a trip up to Lake Shasta with his family, one of the best trips I remember from my high school years. We spent a week on a houseboat up there, and I do believe I threw up about 6 cans of Miller High Life. It was my first time drinking that beer, and it wasn't so great, but hey, good memories. Fond memories of that truck, driving all the way up there, driving all the way back, and all around through high school. Definitely the coolest truck in school, Blake. Hope you watch this someday. Let's go check it out. There's a couple of hooks over there, golden hooks as some people say. Want to stay away from those, want to keep up on your preventative maintenance. We got about 0.7 miles on the right. Let's see if we see a little red truck, we'll call it. A red truck from my childhood, or my adolescent years, high school years. Seems like a while ago, 1997, 1996. I think I've never been up this way on 29 coming into Duncan, Lehman, Bilo, CVS, Burger King. How's Saturday going for all you guys? Saturday Night Live we'll have again tonight. We'll talk about the giveaway right here. If you please like, share, subscribe, share a Facebook video. Just Truckin' is also a Facebook page that Truckin' Wife runs. And speaking of all that, before we get up to this truck, let's talk to Truckin' Wife, see if she wants to tell us about this Hero 8 giveaway that we're doing. All right, let's talk to her.
Enter to win our GoPro Hero 8 giveaway this month. All you have to do is click the link in the description of all of our videos this month and you can win. We do ask that you please subscribe. If you already are subscribed, please go to our Facebook page. It is just like the YouTube channel, Just Truckin', and like that and maybe share one of our videos if you could. We appreciate all of you guys so much for all of your support, and without you guys, we wouldn't be able to do these awesome giveaways. Thanks guys, bye.
Well, that's Truckin' Wife. She takes care of the babies at home, answers all the emails, all the fun stuff like that. But yeah, giveaways going on. It'll be the August, third week of August that we get that done. But right now we're going to talk about this. Not a bad little beater, right? Nice tires. Doors already popped for me. All right. Let's see if we can work on the price. We're going to need some cool tail lights, of course. A little crack in that one. 4.8 V6. But the main reason I want it is because it's a 5-speed. And I used to have a twin turbo SRT 10 Viper truck, 2006. Love that thing. That's a nice truck too. But that thing had like 1,000 horsepower, twin turbos. Went to some guy in Oklahoma. But this thing is a perfect LS swap, maybe down the road. Teach my boys about engines. So maybe twin turbo a 5.3. Who knows? Very typical swap out here. But let's check this thing out. Yeah, I could use a little reupholstered. But this is the exact dash I remember from my high school years. Oh yeah, and that's the reason I want it right there. Because all those Viper trucks, I had a single cab twin turbo. All the Viper trucks had a 6-speed. So get a T56 with a 5.3 or maybe even an LY6 6.0 without the active fuel management. Could be fun. All right, let's test drive this thing. All right, so they did a new battery. Ooh, she started to ride up. Nice. They did a new battery and they did a power steering pump on her. Original owner, old dude, 300,000 miles. They had the same plans for it that I had, but they got that black truck for a better deal. They got a twin turbo 5.3. So definitely LS guys, as you can see right here. Boop, boop. I'll take it, little red truck back and forth. We got just a little 4.6. It'll get me back and forth to the truck until my boys are big enough to turn a wrench. And then one of them will drive this to high school. We'll do a nice diamond stitched seat in here. Oh, honk the horn. Look at that, I got the jack and everything. Why are you beeping at me? Because the brake's on? All right, but this is exact. I sat right there driving to Lake Shasta with Blake Cuevas in a truck just like this. We're gonna need a little diamond headliner, but it's okay. This is what we really need, because our new truck doesn't even have a dang bed. And we're trying to work $3,500 right now. They want $42. I said $3,500 cash. I will give it to you. Nice new tires. I mean, it's not going to need anything for a while. The spare tires even in there too. What do you guys think? $3,500? Probably should give them $3, but I just want to no haggle get it done. Huh? Let's see what they say. All right, we got John and Austin right here. They're selling us the little red rocket truck. We're gonna LS it eventually, but this is why they're selling it. They came up on this thing, so they said, "Hey, it's already." They dropped it. LS, it's already got a cow. But Barrett Auto Sales, John and Austin down here. What's it? Lyman,
South Carolina.
Lyman, South Carolina. Not far off 85, and we're gonna take that home. That's gonna be sitting in the lot now, and maybe when these boys get older, turning a wrench, we'll come get it. What's the phone number here?
864-593-1524.
593-1524. If you ever need something, they always have something fun out here. And if you like LS's, place to come.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, guys, thanks. She idles super good. We get old Wells Fargo, get some cash out. And the transmission's like butter. So only thing we got is we got a little bit lukewarm AC. So I told them I'd give them another $200 off for the compressor, and they said no problem. So we're gonna get it for $3,300. Nice truck. Get me back and forth to the semi until it's ready for a 5.3 or maybe a LY6 6.0. Maybe with some twin turbos, maybe with a Magnuson supercharger or a Whipple. Be fun though. I just really wanted to have that manual already done, so it already has the pedal. Fun little sport truck. All right. There you go. A little cash envelope. Hey, you know, zoomed in. All right. Bam. We're ready to go. Let's go pay for it. All right, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. Truck and wife is not stunned about the purchase. Nice bathroom in there, though. What's the deodorant for? Is that your air freshener? You just kind of roll it on your forehead? Austin, tell us what the deodorant's for inside there. Come on.
That's John's deodorant.
Oh, that's John's deodorant. Well, so why don't you like the purchase, babe?
First of all, the seat's all torn up. The top of it's all
23
torn up.
years old.
The brakes need working
No,
on.
they're
The
not
AC
like your
don't
Escalade.
work
They're
right
going to be pushed a
now.
little harder. Yeah, and Gigi's not loving it either, but whatever. I know what I got. It's got a 5.9 Cummins in it. It'll go 0 to 60 in not 21 seconds. There you go. No, that's a good purchase. It'll be fun. Be our little wrencher. Got a good deal on it, and that's it. That's the new beater we're going to use to get back and forth to the semi. Thanks, Truck and Wife, for helping me get it.
You're welcome.
How are you Schlotskis, right?
Actually, I'm
You're not hungry?
not hungry.
All right, well.
My dad took me to breakfast.
I think it's a good purchase. Got the babies in the minivan. That thing's pretty nice. Yeah, it'll do. It's gonna sit in a lot for half the year, so whatever. We'll take it. But we gotta keep truck and wife happy.
On the way here, she goes, so can I drive it back? I said, Mama, no, I'll drive it. She's like, but I want to do it.
Gigi wanted to drive the truck
I said,
real
Mom, it'll
bad.
be fine, I'll do it. So we get here.
Got our
she's
paperwork.
Like, can I do it? Look at her. She was like a kid at Christmas when I told her she could drive it.
These trucks.
She loves to drive it. She loves it. Look how excited
Let's see if
she
she
is.
finds out reverse. There goes that Camaro right there. Well, I will say, there goes minivan, mama. That worked out pretty nice. We got it done. Got a beater truck now. It's just gonna sit over in the lot when I'm gone, so. Wanted to get it done. 97, a truck from my childhood, truck from my high school years. Maybe throw some, I'm a big IROC wheel fan. I grew up in the Bay Area, California, so I'll probably do a 22-inch rear IROC wheel and a 20-inch front IROC wheel. And that's, I'll leave it like that for now. I'll fix the air conditioner. It has a Schrader valve that needs to be redone, is what they said. And then roll it on some IROCs and eventually do a LS swap when the boys are older. But we got a beater. We got a truck sitting in a lot. God is good. He led me right to it. It's 3 miles off the 85. And let's get home, get some food, maybe get in the pool. It's hot out here. 95. Woo. There it is. Welcome to the family, little Silverado Cheyenne. What do you think about it, Kason?
I'm gonna get in the back.
Oh, you want to get in the back? Okay, well, he told me it was very old. He said, Dada, this truck is very old. We're going live tonight, guys.
Yeah, live tonight.
Saturday Night Live. Gigi, thanks for driving it back.
No problem.
Was it amazing? It's the best truck,
Definitely interesting.
the best truck ever.
It's really, really old.
Really, really old. But it was from my high school. I remember it. So we got a new one. That's the beater back and forth. And
Mom might come over till 11 too.
oh, sweet. Thanks, Mama. Gigi. I think we're gonna do the pool.
That's what they call Highland.
We're gonna hit the pool, and we're gonna change, put our shorts on. Yes, baby.
I'm gonna bring this new truck to the pool.
Okay, maybe we can do that. So the golf cart. Jump in the back.
Oh my gosh.
All right, later, guys. All right, got her back home, and we took it. We're gonna go to the pool, but the dang pool was closed, so we had to come on down, make a pool. Yes. I'm supposed to tie that thing down.
I put it where you want it.
There you go. I don't know what the pool's closed. We're gonna figure it out. Maybe it was like they're cleaning it or something. Probably. I need to trim that tree. That thing's going out of control behind you. No, it's ours too. Either way, Saturday Night Live will be here. Guys, you having fun? Cash, you cooling off in the water? Yeah. I hear the train going. You guys want to go to the park later maybe and go ride the train? It'd be fun. We got a little tiny train back there in the park, so. All right, and the baby's sleeping. What are those rocks? Whatever. See you Saturday Night Live, 9 o'clock, guys, Eastern. Talk a little bit about the giveaway. Talk about the week. Talk about things to come. God bless, and welcome home. You got to think of a name. Please comment names for the beater. Oh yeah, names for the beater. The little cousin of Big White. We don't know Big White's names either. But either way, yeah. All right, pool time. That's what I'm talking about. Improvising. Oh my goodness.